Hello friends, this is Barbara with the Budget Kitchen with Barb. Okay, so I have 1 pound of hamburger. Yes, right here we just get right to the recipe. Okay, 1 pound of hamburger, and then we want to put in some mushrooms. Let's turn on the heat. We need it to cook. Okay, and then I put in 1 large onion. And then we're gonna just stir that up, get it all mixed up. We're gonna just mix it up. Okay, we're gonna fry this and we're gonna let it cook down. And then what we're also gonna do is we're gonna pour this over some noodles. But we're not done yet. We have more ingredients to add. Okay, drain your grease out. This is how I like to do it. It's easy for me. Had quite a bit of grease in there. I'll be right back. I'm going to walk this to my garbage can. One cup of sour cream. I'm shutting off the heat. And let's mix. Perfect. I'm taking this off the heat and I'm cooking my noodles. But instead of noodles, what I would normally use, I'm going to use macaroni. I just change things up every now and then. Okay, friends, here is our Stroganoff mixture. We're going to put those noodles right in that pot. We're going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom. Just feel like I need to get another spoon. Okay, sorry about that. There's just quite a bit still left inside the can, and it doesn't make sense to waste it. Because we are on a budget. Food prices are so sky high, at least where I'm at. And we just want to mix. Get it all mixed together. There we go. This is noodle macaroni stroganoff. And you want to get that all mixed up really, really good. Okay, and then you're going to grease a pan and dump your mixture in your pan. This is going in the oven. Perfect. Just pat it all out. Nice. I have to turn my oven on. Okay, 350. We're going to sprinkle with some fried onions. We're going to just jack it up a little bit. Oh, geez, I used it all. Okay, and normally I don't put cheese in stroganoff, but here we go. This is some cheddar. Just a little bit. We do not want a lot of that. Okay, pop it in your oven for like 30 minutes. Friends, I was pulling this out of the oven and it smells amazing. Like, I did not expect it to smell that delicious, but yes, here we are. Now I'm going to reach in and grab I like that little crunchiness right there. Yes. I have to get some of those onions. Okay. I know this is piping hot because I literally just pulled it out of the oven. So, friends, I was wondering, hey, can you help me a little bit? I was wondering what kind of recipes would you like to see? This is now the budget kitchen, so I am looking for budget meals. So put your favorite budget meal down below. I'm going in, okay? I hope it's cooled off enough. Okay. This is good. You got to try this, okay? Try this one. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. But friends, always keep on cooking, and I love you all.